So hello everyone, I am Anupam. Welcome back to Python for Absolute Beginner series. In this lesson 8 and in this video we are going to learn lists in Python. So lists are very important in Python because they allow us to store multiple values in one variable. So let's start. So what is a list? A list is a collection of items. It means we can store many values inside one variable. Example 1 2 3 4 इन सिंपली लिस्ट मतलब एक बैग जिसमें मल्टीपल आइटम्स रख सकते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so why we use lists? List is used to store multiple values to keep our data in a organized structure. And second one is it is used to reduce variables. Instead of creating many variables, use one list. And it is a easy management. Like we need to use our data in a organized and access in data efficiently way. And fourth one is loop support. It is used to process all items with simple loops. Okay. So without lists versus with list. Without list, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. As we can see that this is an organized, unorganized way to keep our data, and it is difficult to maintain the code. And with list, we use square brackets to store our values. It is easy to access and maintain all the data. Like number 0. Number 0 is this. The place value of 10 is 0, and the 50 place value is 4. So this 1, 2, and 3. So print number 2 is equal to 30. Okay. A list syntax and examples. The basic syntax for creating a list uses square brackets with items separated by commas. First, creating a list. Name is equal to Anupam, Rahul, Aman. Number only. Number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And third one is mixed values. Data is equal to 1, hello, 3.5, and true. Okay. So accessing list items. That is also known as indexing. List indexing start from 0. The first item has index 0, the second has index 1, and so on. Okay, names is equal to Alice, second one is Bob, Charlie. Print name is equal to 0. Our index reference is like 0, first item, second item. Okay, so this is indexing. So modifying list items. First one is original list. Name is equal to A, comma B, comma C. Index is equal to 0, 1, 2. As you remember, I told you in last slide, the indexing means 0, 1, 2, the place value like. And second one is change item. Name 1 is equal to Rahul. So update index 1. Okay. The final result is print names. Output is equal to A Rahul. I told you na that the B place index value is 1. So we can update name 1 is equal to Rahul. Then we got output A comma Rahul comma C. Okay. List values are mutable, meaning you can change them after creation. The common list operations are adding items. For adding items, we use append. It adds an item to the end of the list. For adding items at the end of the list, uh, the example is like number is equal to 1, 2, 3. Numbers append 4. The result is 1, 2, 3, 4. We add the value of 4 at the end of the list. Then we use append for this. Okay. For removing items, the value is remove. It deletes a specific item from the list. Like example is number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers remove 3. The result is 1, 2, 4. We told na that there is for deleting a specific item from the list, we use remove. So the remove value is 3. Then here the value of 3 is deleted. Okay. For finding length, len returns the total number of items. So number 1, 2, 3, 4. Print len numbers. It calculates how the number is given, means what the quantity of number is given. So there is 4 numbers is given, then the output is 4. Okay. Looping through lists. Loops are essential for processing all items in a list efficiently. So how it works? The loop variable name takes each value from the list one by one, making it easy to process all items without using repetitive codes. without writing repetitive codes. So the example like name is equal to Alice, Bob, Charlie. For names, print name. Then the output we got output Alice, Bob, Charlie. Okay. So the today's summary of the class. Today we learned what is list, why we use list syntax, index, append, and remove, length, loop with lists. Okay. So lists are very important for Python. So that's it for this video. In the next lesson, we will learn tuples in Python. So if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. This is Python for Absolute Beginner series. See you in next lesson. Thank you and keep supporting.